CNXC down 22%. This is Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025. Post-market session, intraday low in this, I think in this post-market session as well, $41.77. Okay, its earnings outcomes is the problem, I think, or probably mostly it's, mm, I think earnings and outlooks. Okay, so posted a Q3 adjusted earnings per share of 2.78 below estimates of $2.87. Okay, adjusted earnings per share between 2.85, okay, at 2.96 below the consensus of 3.32. Yeah, that's the one. Yes, reasonably divergent. That's probably the the key reason. Their revenue was better than expected, slightly better, but I think it's the the adjusted outlets adjusted guidance. Yeah, yeah, that's a problem. Okay, so interestingly enough, the algos was projecting that we're going to have a decline. Of course, it's saying that the decline is going to be all the way towards the 30th of December, but it's also including tomorrow, the 26th. Surely this loss will carry over into 26, so this would have been fulfilled. This may likely, if it remains that way, then this will be this first point here will be fulfilled. It's the other ones up till the 30th. We don't exactly know. So the stock has been trending, has been on an uptrend since the 12th of August. Okay, so projections here on this daily chart is saying 54.99. No, sorry. It's saying 51.35, 55.51, 57.25. But a huge amount of change has occurred already, so we're not really going to read everything on this daily chart. So this is what's going on right now, and the algos are saying that yeah, yes, weakness will remain in place up till Friday, up till tomorrow's pre-market session, and maybe a bounce is expected by Monday. So if this is if anything, this extrapolation on this 4 hour chart is pretty much aligning with what we saw, at least for the net for tomorrow's extrapolation. It seems to be aligning, but it could change as well tomorrow. It could bounce early or not. Okay, so let's see what we have in terms of projections. We have on this day, on this 4 hour chart, we have 54.54, 62.66, 66.36, and 68.64. Okay, price pressure momentum should be severely bearish. Yeah, on the two moving averages are severely bearish. However, there are strongly positive first and second. Strongly positive second derivatives on the two moving averages, indicating that yeah, deep buying has already resumed. Yes, deep buying has already taken place. Okay, do we need to bother looking at the grid, the trading range based on the market grid? Surely it will be trading outside. The stock is currently trading outside. It will be trading outside of its price channel. Yes, you can see that the market grid is up here. The stock is down here. For emphasizing the prospect of lower prices printing at the same time, indicating also or implying that a rebound could also happen. But all in all, the grid hasn't reacted yet. The grid will probably react in later on in a few hours time. So all we have to do is just have a look at the 1 hour chart. It may have reacted. Yeah, you can see that it has reacted. So I think the stock is now in that grid. Being a 4 hour chart, being a 1 hour chart, it's a shorter model than or rather it's a model that updates yeah, every 1 hour much sooner than the 4 hour model, 4 hour chart. So the price is at 43.15 currently. So where does that lie? 43.15. Yeah, it is right in between the resistance and the support zones. Usually that's what we usually find. So being that the trajectory is to the downside, it may well test there 41.83. I think that has already happened 41.77. Yeah, it has actually tested that already. Yeah. So what are the odds that it will retest it? I think it's there, there because it has already happened already in this session. Yeah. So uh, that's what's going on right now. You have a look and see what you make of all of this. The 21% looks like a lot in one session. Yeah. But it doesn't mean that it's going to bounce tomorrow. Bounce at some point, yes. But how soon? How soon do you want to jump in? Do you want to jump in now and miss some days of and running? Yeah, I miss the opportunity of. Well, it's up to you. I don't need to tell you what you have to do. So if you think you want to jump in now, it's all up to you. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. I'll keep on updating you. Okay, before we do that, let's have a look and see how active they are trading this deep for the 3.1. For the 3.1, they want to sell. Let's see whether we have prices to the upside. Yeah, 43.15, 43.29. Okay, yeah, not so active at the moment. It's a post market session. Yeah, so just have a look and see what you make of CNCX. And thank you very much for watching this video.